Hindi malilinis yan kung hindi nila pupwersahin yung nagdi-deliver ng tubig na yung kontrata nila na sila rin ang maglilinis ng sewer, wastewater natin galing sa bahay, ay hindi malilinis yung tubig na yan forever and ever.
May approximate ba kayo? May estimate ba kayo kung how much that two concessioners have collected since 1997?
I-break na kayo, sir.
1997, when the contracts took effect, up to now, collection sila ng collection every month. Check your bills. 20% of your water bill is supposed to be for sewer cleaning service. Hindi binibigay yan. So, kung magkano ang collection, it should reach now, possibly, hundreds of billions of pesos. And not only that, they have borrowed money from world banks and the World Bank and ADB and all other financing institutions in the name of the Republic of the Philippines. Yan ang mas malaki yun. Kasi hundreds of millions of dollars yan. In the name of the Filipinos. Tayo ang guarantor niyan. May sovereign guarantee yan. Pag hindi nabayaran yan, ang magbabayad niya, Republic of the Philippines.